Hello. Hi, good afternoon. It is about almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon my time. Anyway, today is May the 11th. It's the day after Mother's Day, and I hope everybody's had a good, wonderful, or great Mother's Day yesterday. Okay? All right, first thing first, I just want to say thank you to all my viewers out there and my subscribers. Thank you so very much for watching my video. Stay tuned with me, okay? Already I'm gonna eat. Anyway, I do not eat a lot of rice anyway, so I'm trying not to eat a lot of rice. I do have problem with like cholesterol issue and things like that. I know it doesn't it doesn't have to do with the rice anyway, so I just choose not to eat too many rice. So anyway, I bought this kind at the store. It is this brand. You can buy this at any, I guess, in a supermarket anyway. So this is what I'm gonna eat today. Comes in the package, in this packet right here, and you can just put in microwave for 2 minutes and you are ready to go. Okay, so I'll show you guys inside of these things. Okay, it's this color. It's hot. Like I said, I just put them in the microwave for 2 minutes and it's ready to eat. So it's kind of like it looks like a dark brown color rice. So it's hot. So ang ulam ko ngayon ay chicken nuggets. It's just a chicken nuggets, and it's easy. It's there. I haven't gone to the grocery store just yet to buy like fresh food so I can cook. So I figured, this is as good, chicken nuggets. And I also have tomatoes, sliced tomatoes, and a cucumber. And I do have sausawan here. It's soy sauce, vinegar, and obviously it's a black pepper in here too. So it's right there. It's gonna have to sausaw the chicken in there, the chicken nuggets, and with my rice. Okay, come on guys. Samahan niyo ko. Tara na, kain na tayo. Again, it's a little over 12 noon. It's almost 1 o'clock p.m. afternoon here, my time. Okay. All right, guys. Let's go eat. So my cucumber over here, and just sausaw my sausawan, vinegar, and apple cider vinegar and soy sauce, pepper and salt. Okay. Sorry. When I eat, it's really loud and noise, so apologize. Anyway, I hope everybody had great Mother's Day yesterday and enjoy their family. I personally, or my husband and I, did not went anywhere yesterday. We just choose to stay in the house. So watch a movie. As far as businesses here in our state, by the way, in Florida, I'm not sure if it is still 25% like businesses that can open. So as far as that goes, that's all I know so far. I know my job didn't call me just yet if we're going back to work anytime soon. So the rice, by the way, but guys, is really good. If you come, it comes in each, it's individual pack. So wala kasi akong ayun ang tomatoes. Wala kasi akong bigas. I don't have any rice in my house, so chicken nuggets, and hot wings. So I was thinking about going to the beach today or tomorrow. I'm not sure when, cause the beach right now is fully operational. So we're allowed to go to the beach now. No, the beach from our house is only will take 10 minutes maybe, or maybe or 10 to or 12 minutes drive to go to the beach. So it's pretty close. It's close. So maybe tomorrow, if not the next day, I'm gonna try to make it over there. Shouldn't be the problem. So, mm. And I also hope that everyone in the Philippines are okay. You know, I know the lockdown or the quarantine extension up until the 15th, so I'm hoping that's going to be like, you know, the end of it. There's no more extension anymore. Because a lot of people over there too, I mean in the Philippines, like us here too, is, you know, kind of like suffering too. Hopefully so. It will be like, you know, there's no more extension as far as that goes. Our phone. Um, I hope everybody's okay. Like I said, I hope everybody's okay. Your guys' family, my family so far, I think they're okay, and for now anyway. So we'll see how things goes after this after they will lift this lockdown. Hope everything's gonna be okay. Back to normal. The rice is really good, guys. Tastes good with my chicken nuggets and hot wings. And sausaw dito sa ano, soy sauce and vinegar. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. C-Cumber. Mm. So, I'm hoping also that you know, yung like I said, mga pamilya ninyo sa mga bawat isa sa atin, sana okay lang din sila kung saan saan makayo sa, you know, buong mundo ngayon. Mm. All my all of my family sorry, nabubulol ako. They're still back in the Philippines. So, like I said, so far they're okay. You know, I hope this quarantine or lockdown will end soon. Mm. Mm. I know my family, some of my family back in the province, like in Buhay, they're okay over there. But some of my family is in Manila. They're the one that's really having a difficult time right now. Um, Luckily, I was able to help them in such a way that I can. Some didn't, Hopefully, will like I said, hopefully will end soon. Really, I'm really hoping. Before I was worried about my mom because my mom is in 86 years old. But like I said, she's in the province. She's in Bohol right now. So I think it's a little safer in a way that if you live in the province, then it's a little safer on this condition anyway. So compared to living in the city, that's in Manila. So yeah, that's the only thing. I am 100% more concerned about my mom, my nanay anyway. But I told my brother not to make sure that she's not, you know, going out if she doesn't have to. Because as we all know, older people they are more vulnerable sa pandemic na to. So the only thing, check it out, guys. I almost eat the whole chicken nuggets in my plate and the rice. I have more rice in here. May as well eat the whole thing. This is really good. I don't know if you guys can get this in the Philippines, but if you do, try this. It's really good. Sorry. Nauhaw ako. You guys stay safe out there all the time. We just have to be careful and follow rules. Ngayon, so. Okay? Alright guys, thank you so much sa pagsama niyo sa akin habang kumakain ako at sana at mag-stay kayo sa channel ko and continuing you know watching my video. I really appreciate it. Just don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so very much, and God bless everyone. And katapusin ko lang yung pagkain ko. Again, thank you for for pagsama niyo sa akin habang kumakain. Any question or any suggestion, any question at all, anything, regardless with anything, just comment down below. Okay? Again, thank you so much. And amping salamat. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe. Alrighty, I thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you so much all. Thank you. Love you all. Thank you so much. Bye.